Carrying on with my theme of lack of confidence, in this video I'm going to show you another mindset switch to help you to become more positive and get you through that problem. Hi, I'm Bella from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach and I help people to feel more positive, more motivated and more confident quickly. We're talking about confidence again today. Now, how do you describe yourself? How do you talk to yourself? No, I'm not crazy. How do you talk to yourself? Do you describe yourself positively? You know what? You are your biggest cheerleader. Talk positively to yourself. Do you tell yourself you haven't done enough, you're not good enough, you haven't practiced enough? Or do you tell yourself you're great, you've got this, you can do this, you're winning, today's a successful day? Try those, write them down, try those. You are your biggest cheerleader. Don't let them be negative comments. It's all about you having a successful day. You can do it. I am successful, I'm positive, I'm determined, I'm focused, all of those things, and write them down. Read them over to yourself. Take several minutes to read them over and that mindset switch will stay there. You listen to you first. What you're actually doing by giving yourself that positive feedback from you is actually telling your mind that you are good enough. In time, you believe your own hype. You are faking it till you make it, in a way. However, you will believe what you tell yourself. So keep it positive. Write it down so that you can read these words to yourself and know that you are good enough. You're positive, you're successful, you're winning, you're determined, you're dynamic, you're enthusiastic, you're excited, you're motivated. You're all of those things, and repeat them and repeat them and repeat them. And trust me, you'll believe them. In the comments box, I would love to hear from you. Why not give me 3 things that you are great at? 3 positive attributes that you have. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Next week's video is all about logic and confidence. Something slightly different. So you'll want to see that. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you there.